Up for sale, I got a 1954 Chevy Bel Air Sport Coupe Continental kit, finished in Pueblo tan. It's a rare factory automatic, and it's a 6-cylinder with a tri-power Offenhauser. So it's got the 3 2-barrel carbs. This car is sweet. So like I said, finished in Pueblo tan. I'm going to walk around the car, show you some of the paint flaws, show you some more about the car. It has the upgraded, I believe it's a 10-bolt rear. That's it, so here we go. And then I'll take a second, like the video if you enjoy the car. This is a pretty rare car. It's all there. Factory hubcaps, everything. Subscribe to the channel. I post car videos whenever I get them. And yeah, support me, support what I do. I love cars, love showing them to people. All the chrome was there. Chrome was pretty good. Or chrome is nice, I should say. There's only one little area of pitting on the back bumper. I'll show you that. Body is real straight. All steel. Real straight. Real straight. There looks to be like a little scratch right there. Yeah, like I said, it has the Continental kit, and it's a sport coupe, so it's not a post car, obviously. It's got that nice factory interior, door panels, headliner, lights work in the back, nice headliner. Dash actually looks real good. See, it is an automatic. It is not, I repeat, not 3-speed on the column. So it has custom dual exhaust as well, so it sounds good. It doesn't sound like a sissy car, you know. Got a good rumble to it. Chrome is real nice though. Like I said, it's all there. It all looks good. There's just one little area of pitting that I'll point out. The trunk is solid. The trunk has that matte liner underneath the trunk mat. Here we go, the BA Continental kit, and those little pittings I was talking about. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and that one right there. Other than that, you know, the whole bumper is there. Continental kit opens like it's supposed to. Oh, let's check. There we go. See? And then if I have the key, which I do, pop the trunk. Here's the trunk. All solid, all clean. Comes with the spare. And like I said, it's got that matting underneath. But it's all solid. You look underneath the car, you see that it's all clean. There's no rust, no rot. I'll leave that open for now. It'll be for sale probably in a week. I'm just making a video now, get it over with, move it off into storage. You know, got a lot I gotta get done. Top of the car's good, real nice. Glass is nice. There's a little mark right there, a little scratch, probably from putting this on. Dash actually looks excellent. Comfortable seats. Trying to think, look for something that jumps out to me right now as I'm going along. Here's a touch-up. right there, and a little mark. And there looks to be a little nick right there. But like I said, it'll be for sale in about a week. But I'll have the stuff on my on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com. It won't be for sale on eBay, so if you see this for now, give it a couple of days before you jump on it. There's a couple touch-ups right there, and then a couple right there. But yeah, but here you go. Like I said, a little quick highlight of the car. 54 Bel Air Sport Coupe, rear automatic, has the tri-power, the 6-cylinder Offenhauser Continental kit, finished in Pueblo tan with factory correct interior. And here you go. Fire it up, take it around the block. You guys can see that. And there you go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. There we go. We got the 6-cylinder motor with that Offenhauser tri-power and an upgraded aluminum radiator.